Ever wonder why there are so many different types of wintry weather, or why forecasters sometimes struggle to figure out which type of precipitation will happen? NBC meteorologist Rich Rogers is here now with tonight's Storm Tracker U.
Looks like we're dodging the ice bullet here in the CSRA with this particular storm system, but what causes all of the freezing rain and sleet that's occurring north of us? And why isn't it just all snow or rain? It all has to do with how deep the layer of cold air is in the atmosphere. When freezing rain occurs, that means that temperatures at the surface are actually colder than they are just a few thousand feet up. Take a look at this animation. Freezing rain happens when snow up above melts through a warmer layer of air and doesn't have time to refreeze before it reaches the surface. It's just like regular rain, except when the surface is at 32 degrees or below, the rain freezes into a dangerous layer of ice. And that's what happened in the CSRA last February. If that layer of warmer air aloft is not as thick, snow only partially melts as it falls through the atmosphere and then has a little more time to refreeze before it reaches the ground. That's why sleet or ice pellets tend to bounce, because they take on more of a raindrop shape but in frozen form. When snow occurs, that means the atmosphere is at or below freezing at all levels. In our part of the country, snow is usually the least dangerous type of wintry precipitation, as it's not as difficult to travel in and usually doesn't cause many power outages. Now you know why there are different types of wintry precipitation. It all has to do with how warm or cold the atmosphere is. Here for you, I'm meteorologist Rich Rogers.